At Dollar Tree, you can get a small can of Pringles and a small can of peanuts. These are the perfect snack combo. Just join them at the bottom and flip them around to switch from chips to peanuts. These normally aren't meant to be shared, but if we take out the chips with a sheet of paper and cut out the container in half vertically and the lid as well, we can serve these up at a party. Real quick, here's how I mix my chips. And no, I don't just dump them into a bowl, but rather a clean plastic bag. After a few shakes, I have evenly mixed all my chips. Let me show you how I make a PB&J sandwich. I got my bread in 2 jars. Well, here I have 2 baggies which I filled with PB&J. It's just as simple as that. And yes, I know they do have these. I'm just cheap like that. Typically, I prefer to buy 2 small cans of Pringles of different flavors than just a tall one because I can tape both cans together and switch back and forth every time I want a different flavor. Guys, I love food and Pop-Tarts are some of my favorite snacks. I'm not a big fan of the crust though, so I got rid of that and mashed a few inside a cup to create an awesome piece of dessert. Doesn't this look good? Well, for more food hacks, don't forget to follow me.